Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your PC is online and stable. Updates need a connection. Close heavy apps so the browser can update faster. Once ready, open Chrome from the taskbar or Start menu. Then click the three-dot menu at the top right to reveal settings. This is where Update controls live. You're beginning the update immediately, not waiting. This step gets you to Chrome's internal update check quickly so you can see if an update is available. From the menu, go to Help then About Google Chrome. The page automatically checks for updates. If Chrome finds a newer version, it downloads it in the background so you don't interrupt work. Make sure to watch the progress bar and read any prompts about relaunch tabs or save data. Once the download completes, click Relaunch to apply the update. This restarts Chrome and activates the new version, ensuring security patches and features are installed correctly. After relaunch, revisit About Google Chrome to confirm the version changed. That proves the update succeeded. If the update fails, reboot your PC and run the About check again because temporary locks often block installation. If problems persist, clear browsing caches, disable third-party antivirus temporarily, or run Chrome's cleanup tool to remove conflicting software. As a final measure, uninstall and reinstall Chrome. This preserves your profile if you're signed into your Google account, so your bookmarks and settings return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.